In this video, I will show you how to check if your iPhone is original or fake. So, first, open the settings on your device. Scroll down through the list and find the General section. Open it. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos. Let's continue. Tap on About. Here, you can see all the information about your device. Check the model number option. If the number starts with the letter M, it means the device is new, purchased online or offline in an Apple store. If the number starts with the letter F, it is a refurbished device. If the number starts with the letter N, it means the device was replaced by Apple due to some issue. Thank you for watching.